Hey everyone, it is our daily baby sleep tips. I'm Anna McMillan, the owner of Little Wing Sleep, certified sleep coach, and today we are going to be talking about nap transitions. It is something that can cause parents a lot of anxiety because things can be going so smoothly and suddenly we're like, oh, it's not exactly how it was or how we want it to be. So what are we going to do here? So I want to talk through nap transitions, why they happen and how they happen. We go through it way more in depth in navigating naps. It's our mini course on naps. It's all to do with timing. So nap transitions, what is going on? A baby has a certain amount of sleep that they are able to get in a 24-hour period. 10 to 12 hours of that should be at night, and the remaining of that is during the day for naps. In between naps, there's something called awake time. This is when they're awake, and this is the buildup of adenosine in their brain. That's a chemical. And that kind of clears it out, makes it all nice and smooth. They're able to function again. However, it builds up over the daytime so that they're ready for that nighttime sleep. A baby's tolerance for this buildup in their brain for that awake time increases as their age increases. They drop that last nap at around 3 to 4 years old. However, these first couple of naps, that buildup happens quite frequently. And so what we see is that you'll have that first nap, the first awake time is always shorter than the last. They often will incrementally increase across the day. So we end up with this increase of awake time, and so it shuffles the nap later so we get the nap length. If the nap is too early, then baby will struggle to go to sleep and we'll end up with, say, a 45-50 minute nap. If it's too late, then we end up with an overtired baby who is just completely beside themselves, and they'll end up with like a 20 to 30 minute nap. So we have to keep pushing this. And as you end up keep pushing this, the last nap of the day generally becomes a cat nap before leaving. So what are some signs that your baby may be transitioning naps? Some things could be that they were going down in the ideal length of time, which is 5 to 20 minutes, and now they're not. It may be that their naps have shortened up. It may be that they are really struggling and they never cried before and now they're crying. Maybe bedtime is getting pushed, or that we're getting some early mornings that were never there before. So, as for babies, what ages should they be transitioning to what naps? Babies generally go from 4 to 3 naps at around 3 to 4 months. And then at around 6 to 8 months, they're going to go down to 2 naps. Around 12 to 18 months is when we go down to 1 nap. And they will hold that there for that 1 nap until they're about 3, sometimes 4 years old, depending on the child. The bedtime is usually at around 7 p.m. It is the best time for their brains, for them to go to sleep, and for their bodies. However, when they are on that 2 nap or 1 nap, they may need a 7:30 bedtime until that nap transition happens, and that's totally okay and normal. Remember to subscribe to join us for our baby sleep tips and reach out if you need a hand.
Hey there, Mama. Are you feeling exhausted, frustrated, and just a little defeated? I hear you, and I've been there, and thankfully, I can help. Let's teach your baby to sleep. I'm talking 10 to 12 hours of sleep each night. Little Wing's Sleep Baby program uses a science-based, gentle, parent-present approach that fosters healthy attachment while teaching independent sleep skills. We don't believe in letting your baby cry it out. This program includes everything you need, such as our insider strategies, both on night sleep and naps, as well as extras like our monthly live Q&A.